The RBT-070 Mixing Roasting and Cooking Kettle brings together efficiency and quality in industrial food production. With a single machine, it allows the preparation of roasted, boiled, and liquid products such as soups. The machine's powerful mixing system keeps the product continuously moving inside the kettle, distributing heat evenly to every point. This ensures homogeneous cooking, while minimizing the risk of burning or sticking. Its hygienic and durable surfaces provide long-lasting and safe use under intensive production conditions. The tiltable kettle design of the RBT-070 offers great convenience for the operator. At the end of the cooking process, the kettle tilts forward, and liquids can be separated from the product using a special strainer system. This feature prevents product loss, particularly during chicken boiling or liquid-containing roasting processes, and keeps the production process organized. With the machine's control panel, the mixing and cooking process can be easily managed, and parameters can be adjusted according to need. This ensures production is both safe and efficient. In addition, cleaning and maintenance are fast and practical, allowing production to continue without interruption. The RBT-070 offers significant advantages for modern food production facilities with its versatile use, powerful performance, and practical design. Now, let's see the machine in real use and how it operates.
We have just started the machine. So its current settings are a right turn duration of 10 seconds, a waiting period of 20 seconds, and a left turn duration of 10 seconds. It shows the total operating time here, which is 170 minutes.
It also shows the actual values here. So the actual value of the waiting time is 30. It's counting now the actual value of the right turn time, the actual value of the left turn time, the actual value of the total duration. Here again, you can see the boiler zone temperature displayed on this gauge. Here is the set value, meaning the desired value, and here is the actual value. So, pause what the machine is currently reading right in front of it. Pause, it displays the actual value as 71.2 degrees. We have our start button here. From here I enter the operations. So we press the start button and the timers here begin to run. Here there are boiler down and boiler up buttons. When I press boiler down, the boiler machine goes all the way down, and up it goes all the way up. Here it's again divided into manual left and manual right. If you press left, the drum reverses. If you press forward, or here or backward, it turns backward. We have a stop button here. Pressing it stops the drum. This is our emergency stop button. In any emergency, pressing this emergency stop will completely halt the machine.
Okay. As seen, the RBT-070 Mixing Roasting and Cooking Kettle provides significant ease for operators at every stage of the production process. Thanks to its tiltable kettle and strainer system, products are processed in a controlled manner, liquids are separated quickly, and the emptying process is carried out practically. The machine's mixing system ensures consistent quality in roasting and cooking operations and increases production efficiency. With the control panel, operators can easily manage the processes, while cleaning and maintenance are fast. The RBT-070 offers a reliable and efficient solution for modern food production facilities with its durable structure, versatile usage possibilities, and powerful performance. With Arı Makina, quality and efficiency in production always go hand in hand.